guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get this spring makeup look using all DIOR products. I'm also going to be reviewing some of the new DIOR makeup launches. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. Let's get started on a spring makeup tutorial using all DIOR products. I'm going to push my hair back, have you nice and zoomed in. One of the newest products that came out was the DIOR Forever Glow Luminizer. I am so excited because when I saw the pictures online, it is absolutely stunning. The packaging, oh, wait till you guys see this. Are you kidding me? Look at this chrome. Wow, this is stunning. Look at the details. The packaging is insane. It is so soft, so shiny. I am so obsessed with chrome. Okay, let's open. Oh, are you kidding? How stunning is that? Look at the detail of it. It is stunning, like absolutely stunning. So I am so excited to try this out because this looks absolutely gorgeous. I got mine in the shade 01. And there's also a new bronzer. This is the Forever Nude Bronze. Let's open it up. Look at this. I love that the outside is the color of the bronzer. So stunning. I got this in the shade Intense Matte. Again, the details, absolutely stunning. Close up. Look at the detail of the packaging. Gorgeous. And we also got two new lip products. This is the Color Reviving pH Activated Hydrating Lip Balm. And then we got a new shade in the DIOR Addict Lip Maximizer in the shade Pink Mania. Oh, look how beautiful that is. Here is the pH activated one. Okay, so we have new products to review and it's beautiful outside, it's sunny, so I'm feeling like a spring makeup look. So let's get into it. I have my florals on, very springish here. I'm gonna start by using the Forever Glow Star Filter. I like to apply this all over my face. It really gives me like a nice hydrating glow. I like to pump it on the back of my hand and then I'm just gonna take my finger. I really love this product. I wear this by itself or I'll apply this and mix it in with a foundation. And then I'm just going to blend it in. Oh, look at that glow. Look at the like dewy glow this just gave my face. It makes it look so hydrating and youthful. I like to apply the Forever DIOR. I just love how my skin looks with these two products mixed together. So I'm going to apply it on the back of my hand. Just going to take the tiniest amount and just drop it on my face. And then I just blend it together. And it just gives me the perfect combination between a really nice glowy hydrating look but also a little bit matte. It's like the perfect mix. My skin looks amazing right now. Now the main event, new Forever Nude Bronze. I am so excited to try this. So I like to take my brush and go right in. I'm gonna start with a light hand. I feel like I'm barely touching my face. Look how pigmented it is. I'm literally using the lightest touch. Like I'm barely tapping the skin and it is extremely pigmented. Here it is again. I am so impressed. I like to take a little on my nose, just on the sides. Look how nicely that's sculpted my face. And I literally went in with the lightest touch. This looks absolutely incredible. Again, I got mine in the shade number 5, Intense Matte. What I've been loving to do recently on like glowy makeup days, when I am using a bronzer on my face, I like to use the same bronzer in my eyes. So I'm going to apply this in my crease. I feel like it just gives you a very monochromatic look. Like I love when I use my bronzer in my crease. Like I just feel like everything just goes so well together. Especially when I'm doing like a spring makeup look. Like I don't want anything too heavy on my eyes. Just like a little bronze in the crease to open up my eyes and just give my eyes some definition. For blush, I'm gonna go in with the Backstage Rosy Glow. This is viral and talked about for a reason. Watch it on my cheeks. Oh, hello. When I think of spring or even summer, this is the color that comes to mind for me. And I like to put it on my nose. Now for another main event, the Glow Luminizer. Oh, I can't get over this packaging. Let's apply this on the high points of my cheekbone, my forehead. I like to apply highlighter on my nose. Again, this is the shade 01. I like to take it on a brush. I'm gonna start with a very light hand and then build it up. That is stunning. Oh my god, it looks like I'm glowing from within. I'm gonna apply it up here as well. I like to apply where like the natural sunlight would hit you. It is stunning. Absolutely stunning. DIOR did amazing on these. And then I like to apply it on my bridge of my nose. Even sometimes the tip. And what I've really been loving with highlighter also is applying some underneath my brow bone. And I'm also going to take some in the inner corner of my eye. Wow. I can't believe how glowy I look right now. Like, when I think of a spring makeup look, I think of this. I think of exactly what is on my face right now. I went ahead and just put a little liner in the center of my lips at the top and the bottom. I like to just put it in those two areas when I'm doing like a very glowy, springy look. And we're gonna top it off with the new DIOR pH Activated Lip Balm. I got mine in the shade Candy. This is what it looks like. Oh my god, how stunning is this shade? And it leaves my lips looking so hydrated. Tell me this isn't the perfect shade for spring. Like this literally just topped off this entire makeup look. Like this made this look. I'm gonna go ahead and pop some mascara on. For an even extra little glow, I'm gonna take the DIOR Maximizer in the shade Pink Mania, because I know I already have a lip product, but I really want to try this also. I couldn't decide. I think I'm going to apply it just in the center. Wow, that looks incredible. This is the final look on my glowy spring makeup tutorial. I am so obsessed with how it came out. Let's talk about some of the new releases that came out and what I think. The new Forever Nude Bronze is absolutely incredible. It literally bronzed up my skin so nicely, and I barely touched my skin. That is how pigmented this is. You are getting so much payoff, and it literally gave me the most gorgeous bronzy glowy look. It looks like I was like sitting in the sun. Like absolutely stunning. It applies so creamy, not blotchy, blends incredible. Then the highlighter. I feel like I'm speechless. It gives me the most stunning glow, almost like I'm glowing from within. It does not leave like a powdery, shimmery glow that some highlighters do. The texture of it is almost like a creamy feeling. It goes on almost like it's your skin. Like it looks like it's glowing from within, and I love that. The new pH Activated Lip Balm is absolutely incredible. The formula is so hydrating, so creamy, and I just love how it looks on my lips. And the best part with ordering from DIOR.com is you get so many free gifts. I got this gorgeous black velvet makeup bag. This is available right now with a purchase of $130. I will put the coupon code down below, as well as links to everything I mentioned in today's tutorial. Here is a close-up of it, and it's just like a beautiful black velvet, very nice material. And when you open it up, It is so spacious. You could fit so much in here. I love keeping these in my makeup bags when I travel. Just the perfect on-the-go pouch. To top off my spring makeup look, I'm about to run out the door. I am going to apply the new Miss Dior Mini Mist. I love this product. I like to apply it on my wrist. I like to apply it on my neck. It literally smells incredible. This is something I like to keep in my purse. And then I like to take Miss Dior perfume and spray on top of it. I feel like it lasts forever when I apply both of them. These two combined are absolutely incredible. So that is today's spring makeup tutorial using all Dior products and reviewing some of the new launches. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, please give it a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe before you go. I will see you all in my next video.